Page 281, numbers 1 and 2. Number 1 asks us to evaluate the logarithm expression without a calculator. We are given log base 4, 4, and we want to know what the value is. So the first thing we have to understand that the answer to any logarithm problem is the exponent that the base was raised to get the value, the bigger number there. So I'm just going to point that out real quick. So the 4 that's lower right there, that's the base. The big 4 here, that's what I call the value. And what we're missing is the exponent. So the easiest way to do this is to rewrite this as the base 4 raised to what power will equal 4. So the value's here, the base is here. And so the answer to this is going to be 1. So log base 4 of 4 is 1. So now when we do number 2, we're going to use the same idea. We have log base 6, 1, and we want to know what exponent that is. So again, we have a base of 6, and we're trying to figure out what exponent did we raise 6 to get a value of 1. And so, of course, any base to the 0 power is 1, so log base 6 of 1 is 0.